Must drink. 6 Best Herbal Teas Home Remedies for Kidney Repair. The kidneys, two bean-shaped organs located on either side of the spine, are vital to our overall health. They perform the crucial function of filtering waste products and toxins from the bloodstream, regulating blood pressure, and maintaining fluid balance in the body. However, various factors such as poor diet, dehydration, and certain medical conditions can impair kidney function, leading to a range of health problems. While conventional medical treatments are available, many individuals are seeking natural remedies to support kidney health and promote repair. In this comprehensive video, we'll explore 6 of the best herbal teas for kidney repair, delve into their benefits, and provide practical tips on how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Don't forget that this video is for educational purposes only, so please speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. 1. Dandelion Tea. Dandelion tea, derived from the humble dandelion plant, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its diuretic properties and potential health benefits. Diuretics are substances that promote urine production and help eliminate excess fluid and waste from the body. Dandelion tea acts as a gentle diuretic, increasing urine output without depleting the body of essential electrolytes like potassium, making it an excellent choice for supporting kidney function. Additionally, dandelion tea is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and phenolic compounds, which help neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the kidneys. By protecting kidney cells from oxidative damage, dandelion tea may help prevent inflammation and preserve kidney function over time. To brew dandelion tea, simply steep dried dandelion leaves or tea bags in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, strain, and enjoy. You can also combine dandelion with other herbs like nettle or ginger for added flavor and benefits. 2. Nettle Tea. Nettle tea, made from the leaves of the stinging nettle plant, is another herbal remedy that has long been used to support kidney health. Nettle leaves are packed with essential nutrients, including vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin K, and B vitamins, minerals such as iron, calcium, and magnesium, and antioxidants. One of the key benefits of nettle tea is its ability to promote detoxification and reduce inflammation in the kidneys. The diuretic properties of nettle tea help increase urine flow, flushing out toxins and waste products from the kidneys and urinary tract. This may help prevent the formation of kidney stones and reduce the risk of UTIs. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of nettle tea can help alleviate symptoms of kidney inflammation and may even slow the progression of chronic kidney disease. Regular intake of nettle tea as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle may contribute to improved kidney function and overall well-being. 3. Ginger Tea. Ginger, a popular spice used in culinary and medicinal applications, is well known for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and digestive properties. Ginger tea, made from fresh or dried ginger root, offers numerous health benefits, including support for kidney health. The active compounds in ginger, known as gingerols, possess potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect against kidney damage. Additionally, ginger tea acts as a natural diuretic, promoting urine production and aiding in the elimination of toxins and waste products from the body. Choosing to drink ginger tea regularly can prevent the formation of kidney stones, reduce the risk of UTIs, and support overall kidney function. Furthermore, ginger tea can help improve circulation and blood flow to the kidneys, promoting detoxification and optimal kidney health. 4. Green Tea. Green tea, derived from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant, is one of the most widely consumed beverages worldwide, renowned for its numerous health benefits. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, particularly epigallocatech and gallet, EGCG, which have powerful anti-inflammatory and protective effects on the kidneys. Studies have shown that drinking green tea can reduce the risk of kidney stone formation by inhibiting the crystallization of minerals in the urinary tract. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of green tea can help protect kidney cells from oxidative damage caused by free radicals, thereby preserving kidney function and reducing the risk of kidney disease. Furthermore, green tea contains compounds that may help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels, both of which are important factors in maintaining kidney health. By promoting cardiovascular health and reducing the burden on the kidneys, green tea can contribute to overall kidney function and well-being. 5. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, made from the dried calyxes of the Hibiscus sabdariffa plant, is a popular herbal beverage known for its vibrant color, tangy flavor, and potential health benefits. Hibiscus tea is rich in antioxidants, including flavonoids and polyphenols, which have been shown to have protective effects on the kidneys. Hibiscus tea can help reduce blood pressure, thanks to its ability to relax blood vessels and improve circulation. By reducing blood pressure, hibiscus tea can help alleviate strain on the kidneys and lower the risk of kidney damage associated with hypertension. Moreover, hibiscus tea acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine output and promoting the elimination of toxins and waste products from the body. This can help prevent the formation of kidney stones and reduce the risk of UTIs, supporting overall kidney health and function. 6. Parsley tea. Parsley, a versatile herb used in culinary dishes and herbal remedies, offers numerous health benefits, particularly for kidney health. Parsley is rich in antioxidants, vitamins such as vitamin C, and vitamin K, minerals such as potassium and calcium, and essential oils. One of the key benefits of parsley tea is its diuretic properties, which help increase urine production and promote the elimination of toxins and waste products from the body. By flushing out excess fluid and sodium, parsley tea can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of kidney damage associated with hypertension. Additionally, parsley tea contains compounds that help prevent the formation of kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of minerals in the urinary tract. Regular consumption of parsley tea, as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, can support optimal kidney function and overall well-being. Drinking these herbal teas into your daily routine can help nourish the kidneys, reduce inflammation, protect against oxidative damage, and promote detoxification. However, it's essential to remember that herbal remedies should be used as part of a holistic approach to kidney health, which includes maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, exercising regularly, and avoiding excessive alcohol and caffeine consumption. If you have any underlying medical conditions or are taking medications, be sure to consult with your healthcare provider before using herbal teas as a remedy for kidney repair. With proper care and attention, herbal teas can be a valuable addition to your kidney health regimen, helping you maintain optimal kidney function and overall well-being for years to come. I trust that you enjoyed the content, and click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, enable notifications, and share the video with your friends and family.